We will be analyzing about 3 questions for real property law, and today's lesson is about question 1. Please read this question properly. This is the exact question we will be analyzing. It focuses on old system land, the doctrine of notice, and whether Rob's legal interest would be subject to the woman's equitable title. Let's get started. Under the old system, title is not guaranteed by registration. Instead, doctrine of notice decides who has priority. A legal owner can still be bound by an earlier equitable interest if they had actual or constructive notice of it. In Russell versus Wilson, a purchaser ignored the fact that land was occupied by a tenant, later finding the tenant had enforceable rights. He was bound by those rights because possession gave constructive notice. In Perry versus Clissold, the possessor's rights were upheld against later claims, confirming that possession cannot be overlooked. In Barr versus Nicolay, the sellers transferred land with an agreement to sell it back later. The buyer on-sold to another purchaser who promised to honor that agreement but later refused. The High Court ruled that the second purchaser was bound by the equitable interest because they knew of it. In Latec Investment, the purchaser saw suspicious signs of another person's claim but ignored them. The court decided that ignoring warning signs could cost priority. Rob's choice not to investigate the woman's presence is the same kind of willful blindness. Applying these principles, Rob's failure to investigate the woman's occupation amounts to constructive notice. His legal title would be subject to her equitable interest, giving her priority. I highly recommend you to read the question properly and then read other slides, because this question is from past assignments and it's very important, and I have tried to explain it at my best. If you have any questions in regards to this, I'll be more than happy to respond. I will see you in the next video with the next assignment question with explanation and notes provided. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.